All right, financial math classes. This lesson, we're talking about something some of you may be interested in, and that is buying stocks. One of the best pieces of advice that I've received about investing is do not invest in things that you do not understand. So if you are interested in stocks, there's a lot to look into and educate yourself about before you start investing, so you don't lose a bunch of money buying bad stocks. We're not going to get too deep into the stocks, but one thing you do need to understand before you buy stocks is the stock ticker. Like, what does all this stuff mean? When you're looking, they used to publish this stuff in newspapers. You would find this online now. I guess if you still could get a newspaper with this information in here, but you need to understand what all this stuff is. We are going to get more into detail and some of the stuff like the dividends in later lessons. But just some basic things for this. The highs and lows. So you can see there are two spots where there are high and low values. The high and low values are the highest price the stock is sold for and the lowest price the stock is sold for in the 52 weeks. So that's in a calendar year. The second set here, the high and low, this is for the previous day. So this is published like on Tuesday. This is the high and low for the Monday before. So you want to compare it to like the highest 52 weeks here was $30, but the highest is 27. So there's a difference. That's things you want to consider going in. So you want to look at the highs and lows there. The other thing you want to look at, like the net change. This net change is based just from day to day, and the net change is based on the closing price, or I should say the starting price of one day compared to the closing price. So so this one, it's had a net change of plus 0.5, so that it's from where it started, it ended at, so basically, so it closed at 27.87. So that means it closed 50 cents higher. So it would have started the day at 27.37. All right. And so with the high and low, so you can see that it dropped below that starting price, but then went back up. And so the net change is just comparing the difference from where it started to where it finished on that day. So that's what you want to look at. What we're actually doing today as part of our assignment is just calculating how you buy a stock. It's pretty simple. Stocks are sold in shares, and you buy a number of shares, and each share costs a certain amount. So that'll give you the total cost of the stock. But you're probably working with a stockbroker, and the stockbroker will take a commission, usually a percentage. So to calculate the total paid out of pocket, what you're going to do is you just do the number of shares times the cost per share, and that'll give you the cost of the stock. So 500 times 11.25, that comes out to $5,625 is the cost of the stock. But then you are adding $9.99. So you do the cost of stock plus the commission, give you the total paid. So plus $9.99 comes out to $5,634.99. And there you go. That is it. That's how you calculate the cost of stock. Again, sometimes the commission is in a percentage. So if you're calculating the commission, make sure you convert the percent to a decimal before you use that percent calculations. And we'll see you next time when we talk about selling stocks.